So back in our new video. In our last video, we had a contest between my Frog Mustang cycle and my Hero Sprint Next cycle. In that contest, my Frog Mustang cycle won. So now I will be giving a review and my riding experience, and I will also sum up all the features of Frog Mustang once again in this video, and it will be a detailed review. So let's begin. So first I will go with the gears. So see, I have 3 gears in the front and 7 gears at the back. You can see 7 and 3. So let me tell you that the gear shifters are of Shimano EZ Fire, and the gear sets, this set and this set, are of Tourney. They are of Shimano Tourney. Now let me tell you about the crankshaft. This crankshaft, it is also of Shimano, and the cassette is also of Shimano. Now let me tell you of the frame. The frame is of alloy 6061, and the cycle weighs of 15.9 kgs. The fork is of lockout system, and you can lock it if you are going on road, and if you are going on mountain, you can unlock it. So the handle is of Zoom, and over here it is of Neko. The seat bar is of seat post is of alloy, and the suspension inside over here, it is a hardtail suspension. The tires are 29 inches, and the rims inside the tires are double wall alloy. Over here you also can put a bottle holder because there is a lot of space over here. And the brake system is disc brakes, and you can see that the front tire has a lever which can be easily removed. The handle has a screw which can be easily removed, and the seat can also be dismantled easily using this lever. So you can carry it easily to other town or your hometown. When you are going to your hometown, by dismantling the cycle, it is easy to be carried in the car. There is no need to put a cycle carrier behind your car. So now let's talk about my riding experience. So I have this cycle from about 3 months, but the first month, due to lockdown, I couldn't ride this cycle. So now 2 months I was riding this cycle. So I saw that the cycle is very smooth, but sometimes on speed breaker it really vibrates a lot. Sometimes, not every time. And I have seen that the gears of this cycle, my gears of the Hero Sprint cycle, were not able to change very easily. They were not a very good quality, but this cycle, the gears easily get changed. And as this cycle is very less, there is very less weight, you can easily carry it in hand. I had told you that its weight is 15.9 kg. And so I can easily carry it in my hand when I am not able to ride or something like that, I have got hurt. So I can easily carry it in hand because it is very less weight due to the alloy frame. So that is one good point of this cycle. I have also seen that the pedal system, the pedals also, they are of very good quality. But many times you see that the pedals are not of very good quality. So I have seen that the pedals are also of very good quality, and the front detailleur and the back detailleur, they are also very good quality. And uh, till now my riding was very smooth and it was very nice. But 2 days before, 2 days back, I had gone to cycle with my friends. But then there was an incident which happened. So you can see this lever. So we have to open this lever and then you can take out the wheel. But what happened was that when I went to ride the cycle, I was facing some problem turning. So I got off my cycle and checked what is the problem. So at that time there was no problem. But then when I was riding the cycle, immediately the wheel came off and I fell. And I was supposed to put this video yesterday, but I had sent this for servicing because of this incident. And you can see that I have put this new front guard also, front guard, because this front guard and this thing, the reflector, they both had broke when the wheel had come out and the disc brakes were not working. But I easily put the wheel inside, but the problem was that it shouldn't come out like that, right? So whenever you purchase this cycle, make sure that this lever is tight enough so that it doesn't come out, because you don't want to fall, right? And so sorry for those people who were waiting for this video yesterday. I am a little late. And so this is my overview on this cycle. And overall the cycle is very good, but it is just the incident that is bothering me. So I will give this cycle 3.5 out of 5 ratings. And so enough for today. If you like the video, please press the like button. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if your friends are going to buy Frog cycle, tell them to see this video. Share this video with them. Thank you.